Okay, 4.5. Okay. You've got percent problems. Okay. So we have the first one. What percent of 42 is 28? We did these last year too. Okay, so I'm going to set up a proportion. It's called the percent proportion. You put 100% on the bottom. This is the percent ratio. This is the actual ratio. So it's a percent over 100%, and then we use the words is and of to help us with the actual. Is of. Is of. So it says what percent? So we don't know the percent. Is and of. So after of, I see 42. So it's 42 and then 28. So what percent is that? Well, 100 times 28 divided by 42 will tell us. Okay, 66.6 repeating. Okay. Now, remember, that's the percent, so you need to label it with a percent sign. Okay, what's 75% of 80? And then is and of. So we have the percent, so I know the percent ratio. After of, you see 80. We don't know the is, so that's x. So I take 75 times 80 divided by 100. Okay, that's 60. So x is 60. We will not be putting a percent label on that. Okay, 60% of what number is 75? So we have 60% and then is to of. Okay, after of you see what, so that what of is what we don't know. We know what 75 is. So basically 60 out of 100, that'd be 75 over what? So 100 times 75 divided by 60, 125. So x equals 125. Okay, what percent of 15 is 21? Okay, what percent? So that's x. Okay. Now, don't just put the higher number on bottom. After of, you see 15, so it's 21 out of 15. You're going to get a percent bigger than 100. Okay, so you take 100 times 21 divided by 15, 140. All right, 68% of what number is 64.6? So 68, and then we have is to of. So after of it says what? So that's x and then 64.6 up there. So 100 times 64.6 divided by 68. I got 95, so x is 95. Okay, next one. What is 125% of 62? Okay, so I have 125 for my percent, then the is to the of. After of, we see 62. Cross multiply and divide. So I take 125 times 62 divided by 100, 77.5. Really, once you get the hang of this, it's quite easy. 65% of what number is 577.2. Okay. Then is to of. Okay, so we have 65 for my percent. After of it says what, so that's x, then 577.2. So we take 100 times 577.2 and divide by 65, and that's going to be 888. Okay. What percent of 120 is 200? Is to of. Okay, what percent? Okay, we don't have the percent. After of, we have 120, and then we have 200 out of 120. Now that's just a percent bigger than 100. So 100 times 200 divided by 120, and I come up with 166.6 repeating. There's my percent. Okay. Okay, what percent of 48 is 18? Okay, percent, what percent? After of, you got 48 and then 18. So 100 times 18 divided by 48. 37.5. And that is my percent, so I label it accordingly, 37.5%. Okay? %, of what number is 6.75? Okay? So again, percent to 100% is to of. So I have 15 for my percent. After of, it says what, so x, and then is 6.75. Okay? So 100 times 6.75 divided by 15. 45. What is 2.75% of 20? So we have 2.75 for the percent is to of. So after of, you got 20 x for is. So 2.75 times 20 divided by 100 is 0.55. Okay, then our last one. What is 16.5% of 33? Okay, so we have 16.5 for my percent, and then of 33. So I take 16.5 times 33 divided by 100. 5.445. That looks weird, but it's the right answer. Okay, there we have it.